search up your car and take out information and go on your live and I suck on then go on page and video. Go ahead. Go ahead. Mama blood clot, man. I saw on the stay on the walk and put real woman against real woman every minute. Before I go look at big fat pum pum for fuck. I want to leg off I'm shutting now. Because I say any oil reach to them, I link up back some old friend. Because remember it is going to go down. Hold on, it's all my man there, in here. Okay. Stay right down there, babe. Me not bring down nobody. Me not come. And Star Boss, please me I said do not put up this video up on your page. Like me not have the time for it. Just do not leave this video right where there. Drew donna get him screen recording them. Anybody where I send it, thank you. So him know exactly what me I say. We don't need to put this up on the Star Boss or no Candy Lake Show. Candy Lake Show, please don't come on this platform and videotape nothing and put it up on your page. I thank you. So Candy Lake Show and Star Boss, I am begging you, Lego, me shut. Me just a talk, I'm done.
I never saved the other live, but obviously then did their screen record and then send it to Drew.
Barlett, if you like Drew, don't stop like Drew. Because he has never done anything to you. Well.
Yes, diary.
You know
we don't like diary behavior.
I can't punch me there. So shut up my mouth.
Me can't take it.
Let me you know what? Let me leave it alone right there. So all me know, all of the real woman them, don't come on the platform, come cuss nobody can not go shame. Don't come on the platform, come put up no video now and decide that can not go shame because the same mouth will say A and the same mouth will say nay. I promise to know. You hear me tell you now? I promise. Oh no. There's no way we know about nobody unless somebody come tell me and trust me. Things on this person talk. Star Boss, you're afraid to post you up. The Candy Lake Show, I'm afraid for video record.
Video record nothing. I don't know what diary talk about people. Don't make me.
And then they're going to start talk. And then, I mean, listen, I'm not even going to Candy Lake Show. I go over England, I go sit down on one show and for my nice, clean friend live with peer followers the pan. I'm gonna sit down and sit down easy with it and just talk my mind. I can't even care, I'm gonna hack your phone because I forget the receipts them where you hide.
I don't have no receipts, people. I don't collect receipts by nobody. I don't care.
Why I don't know ya, man? You see?
Them want to sit down there and collect receipts from me, obviously.
Woman love, follow up man, you know, and I know so sometimes the man them a problem. Them, all right, I'm gonna say something indirectly at the person. You're gonna know yourself from this. I'm not can't go talk me no more, but I have to talk more.
No, what you gonna say?
I'm talk me nice. But just the one person them where I build up the page them I saw. For no say, we know say you, and we didn't want to give a little piece of one truth where only you and Drew know, and that's it. Right, true. So no say no lie we tell. So just let it go. If you want coming out with inbox out everything, but you know you really need to reach us. So after I come off of this, tell Drew Sam can come on your page or watch your live. Me I delete my page. Cause I have a man, I have a ring where need to stay upon the finger, yeah, and I have a future. Right now, the fermentation of beer, and that me I start make me look at day class, so I start do, because them the industry that me I try to tackle down in them city here. Because I have things for me a plan. When you know me can't talk, see a luscious come out to the eye, blood clot. I have to go, people, because me I tell you this when me done, Candy will call me for WhatsApp and Candy will bring me down. Candy will bring down every woman in me. I tell you. You ain't not laugh, people. You vex
No,
up.
me a text.
Yeah, a serious thing for true, people. But just what you wanna call, friend. Watch me ever vacuum out car. Watch my man nice chest, man. Let me have time for getting peace before my go work. Go see all of me used to come on the page, you know. I used to come over there and talk, me lies them. Come on the page and talk, me lies them. Lord of Jesus, go see recording, point up a recording. Come with the count and blood clot me. I mean, you make up story and come talk. Come. What shortbread vex? You're not vex yet. Shortbread, let me tell you something. You see me? Me no do me certain. Nobody not gonna find no friendship in me because them know me no run certain joke. You can't come to me about somebody. That's why them say them don't like me and them don't tell them say them don't like me and them don't tell me nothing and them gone and gone. Yeah. But I care zero. I care zero. Me never come on earth for everybody like me. But come on earth for me like me. The only thing they can do is kill me. That's all they can do. Like literally, I only can't kill my soul, and I have to kill my body. I may have a praying mother. Yeah, so all I want to know I put in a trust in a Drew. Hey! When I put in a trust in a Drew like blood clan Nova Scotia, everything when they talk, it come right over here, saying in my ears. And I look on me, I come off of this alive right now before me start talking some things I make people start after shaking at them boots. Me I gotta stop me nice because me get one in 3 times I want to know for my mouth. Everybody can Lake Andrew is friend. Everybody Andrew is friend. I'm just telling the world that I am taking myself away from Drew's friendship, and I'm going to come out with a documentary called "Surviving Drew" because I just feel, I just feel like God showed me the light. I'm just, I'm just over it. I'm over meeting new people on this platform. Were cool at first and then they turn around and try to tear you down and bring you down. Like I'm over it. And if somebody go as far as show you pictures or just certain little things, like I just don't understand why you would use that to give it to somebody would mean harm to the person. Like you're not a friend. You were never a friend to these ladies. You were looking away for bring down people. You planned this like from the first night when me and Brassy up on live and you come on the live. And Brassy did I say go. Should I just leave this up? But no, through me love excitement, me come put you on live. It was always a plan. You came with a big up yourself, Candy World Star, the only blood clot star in England. Nice, clean Candy World Star. I follow Candy World Star. Book her for no other event in England. I know enough dirty bungle over here from England. Yeah. We're gonna make Candy teach you how to dress. And oh, real body look nice for a young girl. Right, that's a she. Right, you Candy World Star. Right, show. Right through your body never feel you get a blood clot. So I don't know what some girl with them 3-piece layer wig, them 3-piece layer wig, they baby ear they wear down to them eyebrow. Yeah, beat them bad candy world star. I'm not ask Christ. Tell them say yeah candy and a blow pop. Make some girl know say yeah candy you could never be a stagger back. Right through. Them eat the girl because the girl nice and clean. I tell about people who come friendly with intentions. People who come friendly with motives and don't have a blood clot agenda. I'm telling about them people there. Because girl nice and clean. Because girl body real. A 2 girl out of Jamaica, I see with them body and a Jada Kingdom and the world star. On the leg of the girl shirt. No blow pop around here. If our body carved by the gods. If I throw water upon the girl, it roll off. If I throw water upon candy, it roll off. I don't know why I love the candy there, man. I told Candy, I say, Candy Lake Show and Candy World Star. Ovex, Star a blood clot star. Star a blood clot star. I want some observer and cleaner. On the leg off of a nice clean goodie. Yeah, that's my done. 2 that I have Candy Lake and Candy World Star Ovex. Ovex. Some I want to put on brand, I will not even know say a blood clot brand. When candy make clothes make sense. Candy put on clothes and make it make sense. Every time I see Candy outfit them, I say, yeah, this I give me one idea for one dance next week. Right, sure. Some girl show run I back of them football. That's a calf. That's not a calf. That's a cow.
And your body is natural.
Tell a girl said that's not a calf. That's a cow. He run I back her leg them tough na blood clot and look like them a push up body lifting. Some girl now have no calf. That's a cow. Right sure. Some girl heel back at the body lifting. Some girl feel stubborn and strong like dragon stout. Talk about a clean mouth with your pink tongue. Right, chill. Right, chill. Over here so nice. I'm not ask Christ. The way can the world star nice, but I have to post her twice. And when we post up candy, some people say, why you buy out the war? I'm not buy out no war. Young girl free for laugh if they want to laugh. You were free for laugh if you want to laugh. If you don't put on the life on social media and want to laugh, but it will laugh. Don't hate me. Don't hate me because we see what for laugh on. Some are not a clown. Right, Joe. Not a Wrigley's and not a bubble gum. Right, Joe. I don't know what the blow pop. I don't know what the Skittles. Lego off of a nice clean World Star shirt. And them young girl that was sexy, I look nice, I like. Right, show, I just love watch them, love cock up my foot and drink my Chardonnay and watch them. Because candy makes sense in a blood clot England. I don't understand how some people that pull down their shop and I argue with girl we have money every day. I don't understand that. Some girl shop empty, not even a furniture, I'm not see. Right, show. And pussy come run over pan Kim blood clot life. When me I run over pan Candy World Star life, cause Candy me say, Ovex, them dead Candy. When I step out in a nice clean outfit, them dead. Power, them dead. No, but talk truth. Somebody can't have a live and you go upon a live and laugh and somebody make a big live for you or try bring you down. Eh? What the blow up dirty girl, yeah, them have no status in England. Puss can't cause me. Puss need for go cause her gingivitis teeth them a favor piano. And I say, oh, puss teeth them favor piano or some suck out oxtail. Puss shape like one big old soda blood clot dumpling, not a cat wheel. Puss look like the woman them down a Linstead market where I broke Crackstone. I said, go down a Manuel Road, Figo broke Crackstone, rock them one by one. Puss can't chat to nobody for her time, for her age, jump off a calendar. She can't talk to no young girl around here, so. Puss come like she walk with a pacemaker in her blood clot heart. Puss come like she have sleep apnea. As puss talk, puss snore. Puss can't puss with her gingivitis tongue. She can't chat to nobody. Yeah. Got Jamaica in a white t-shirt, morning, noon, and blood clot night, and each up in a Yugo underpants. They can't chat to no blood clot get around there, so how we make clothes good. Post clothes dash way like how teeth dash way in a blood clot of the magnum mouth. They can't chat to no girl around there, so who ya man? I want them baboon ya man. Blood clot Louis V, blood clot jean stopper. I know me can't see the blood clot LV. I want LV, me see run back and me say, oh, me spot it. When the clothes come like Dora blood clot Explorer, me have to take magnifying glass and try to find the blood clot brand. See if my man out the door, right? True. I'm not trying to leg on my shot because I don't know if me drink rum cream over here, saw judgment.
Nobody really have to go work.
I know me forgot work, but we take a day off to candy blood clot world star. Because if you leg of the girl, because the girl nice and clean and look good. Candy a woman want right now. Every day on the cuss people, real woman, but they all. Every day on a Batman transvestite looking woman, I keep up a cuss woman, but or they all this and they all that. Why people all about that? You know, we see what candy world star all do for she, but we can't see what you all do for you. Cause all me see yesterday upon the blood clot live with post, you freaking pop down the shop. Yeah, pop down the shop. All I did need was a chalk to pack up the chalk. Everything I come out of the shop. Stress out like what? Stress a kill, no. Come in and know all you the blood clot ear and for your blood clot 3-piece layer baby ear them the right to your blood clot eyebrow. You know see how can the world star ear just slick back again everywhere the girl go the girl change her hairstyle. The girl makes sense in a blood clot England. Cause now like once upon a time when we used to see England people I push them aside the only representative. I mean, if you ask if not girl no they are England, God show me a vision. I say, check out over Candy World Star. I'm go over there. I say, oh, good night.
But not lie, the girl look good, no blood clot. The girl look good.
Right.
Me say the man royal girl allow her for come on her page, come make the big blood clot like. Come trace me and my kids them. I'ma tell you who something came. You know why me you go down the road there? Cause these are different cup of tea, you know. You say you're a business woman and you deal with business. But you make put some for your page to come talk about me.
Make shop empty. And that need for the go for World Star. Your shop empty now.
You understand? Big up yourself, wife it you know. Me not lie, me don't know the girl. Me always see her as she sexy in a blood clot and look good.
Thank you. Big up me nice.
I'm like her, cause she brownie like me. And them not like brown skin girl. Them not like original brown skin girl. Yeah. And the girl can't breed, the girl can't fuck and breed.
And my kids them nice.
She have youth.
You know
She have blood clot youth. She have 2 nice little baby. A little boy and a little girl. Her own best, them can't trust together. They can't look good in a blood clot. Me not lie.
I can't cuss nobody when me like.
Me like her too. That's why I have put that car up yesterday. Cause I say, I really a nice girl them I argue with.
No, that's the thing kill puss come run up on blood.
Not the whole maggot, all blood clot, bad mind. Puss bad mind, no blood clot. Puss your figure. Your figure. Hello, nice people. You want beard. Every day you sit down for me name. Me I live rent free in your blood clot head. Me I'm mad yo. Me, that brown skin girl you mad yo. When if you leave look good blood clot people. When you cut girl say, Diary can't breed. Diary not in a home. Then when the girl them can't breed, you breed too much. You have to stop make up on the blood clot mine. You Yes, can the worst star, you top blood clot, y'all. Yeah, top girl, you look good. Me don't know you, but me a buy out your war. Me a buy
Right.
it out because blood clot you allow pussy company life come disrespect blood clot me. Yeah, yeah. She said she a business woman. Run with the big bumper blood clot swine. The big hog. The big ubba bumper blood clot beer. Eh? The big earth line and the blood clot sea. We want to go back in the sea. Hmm? Every day you get up, you sing for my blood clot name, I come talk about me while your pussy tongue for true. Then if me I walk, I want girl pussy tongue for true. I hear dirty pussy blood clot tongue, me would I want for true? Are you your fucking mind? Hmm? Low look good blood clot people and go where? Low look good girl.
Friend. Kim Kardashian, you want a friend because there's no way. Fear you do hairdressing shop and fear blood clot baby ear the part fear blood clot eyebrow. That need to
Nobody not like she. Nobody not blood clot like she. Hmm? Yeah?
right.
You say you are promote your business, your black business. I make pussy bring down your blood clot career. Mm?
But push a long time we had do this a long time long time we had do long time we had try keep a shop up my leg off from my blood clot nice clean candy world star French shots. Cause you no make sense in a blood clot England with the Louis V where only one LV upon the blood clot shirt. You're in the shop yesterday. Lonely won't leave your blood clot shop alone. Because you're in the shop sitting on a ball, no blood clot. Stress a killer. Here, puss to stand firm. Puss a give words of encouragement. Because you shame no blood clot. A young girl time now. Move with the Australia kangaroo foot back them. But you have have. Right now, I want him, I can't tell you. Can them run to blood clot? If I see them the big old cow foot they run you down to blood clot like elephantitis live upon a fear blood clot foot back. Man not ask Christ. Man not ask Christ. You need to take the Kardashian off of your blood clot damn. Me not
Them
know
follow the people them alone, man. Me not know all pussies get up and bad mind, the look good girl them so.
out. Everybody wash like
Bad man, you want pay, go pay that scrub your bad man. Go pay the man. I look good time now. Hmm?
young and clean and wear clothes. Puss have a problem. Puss I never we say clothes.
She not like nice girl. She not like the young girls them where come up. Oh, if you war with Dari them. Me could have war with Dari. Dari a little girl. Dari not ready for breed yet. Girl have a life ahead of her. Hmm? You walk and text it on the little pitney them too much. Post, me know you have a baby brains. Me know you have a kindergarten brains. But bad man. Shampoo up your condition, man.
But she not party. But not like the people that have the celebrity name, them none of them now make a crime scene. None of them now put on a caution tape, put a lame na blood clot.
Some of them look like the blood clot. Them favor the race. You know the race has blood clot dog them with them.
I don't know what she favor. And she can't answer blood clot, Jojo, but she jump and answer blood clot candy because she feels like
No, you do rub her out every day, every night, every second. That the woman they not play.
Kim Kardashian make no sense in a blood clot England. You are post. Kim Kardashian and if you go send to clot and book go get post naked like a blood clot buckle in a chuck up blood clot house and a master bedroom she in a post it up and walk she for walk side. She walk straight in her blood clot room. Yeah.
No, I know the blood clot where name she there the shed. I shed she run go because I pity them I tell her come off of the life. I leave people alone. I stop get up on a war with people and bad mind people. Look for where you cuss me. And every day you cuss me, I look nice, no blood clot and come right through. Eh? You walk and I show me picture me and mad yo. Me live rent free in your head. Where? Go dirty bungle. All close government.
Post me remember when she blood clot sit down pan over blood clot people business page. Remember when you like tear up toilet paper? If you show you how you have to tear up toilet paper for wipe your body and when you up in the roof with big old dirty blood clot all up there. And when rain fall, rain wet up your blood clot bathroom. That's if you remember. You want Kim Kardashian, Kim Kardashian, no matter how much clothes your blood clots have, it still not look good upon you. It's not the clothes you have, because no clothes now we wear blood clot clothes. Yeah, eat my nice clean blood clot, Dolly. Nice clean body, nice clean real star, real life Barbie girl, candy blood clot. World star.
Me not like the girl look good. The girl look good for true. I drew to Caesar. And this me not like about them blood clot dinosaur girl, yeah.
My print out one big
Some of them patient blood clot, there's dinosaur with instinct. When them see the look young girl, them have ambition and look good, them want to tear them down.
candy vex them.
When they look young girl, them love them.
Me look up to Candy and say, yeah. When I grow up, I want to look just like Candy. Candy nice and clean. When me got my blood clot plastic surgeon, I got the body that me I carry. Candy nice and clean the blood clot. I print out one big old picture up. Me our #1 fan. I write up on it and say, yeah, Candy, I love you. Just like Jada Kingdom. Nobody now run back at you, pussy. I'm not nobody celebrity. I'm some dirty foot woman celebrity.
Everybody hates her. Me say the woman is a menace on the blood clot Instagram, man. A menace. She walk on Batman. Everybody.
No, what?
Jesus.
Talk it truth. Everybody that on Juju British live a laugh, right? Everybody.
Yeah.
Tell me so that everybody should pick out Candy. Or that everybody pick out Candy so people can't laugh no more. I can't understand.
Because you don't like the girl. She bad man the girl for something where I don't know. Because everybody I laugh. Why you choose to cuss? Cuss everybody will laugh.
You need forgot, you know, Kim Kardashian forgot eat your blood clot edges them where you make tan bad no blood clot. Come like your friend do your ear in a run a back car yard, run a back step. Cause that could never be a professional ear do. You stay bad no blood clot. Candy a beat on a bad, them dead. Them dead. That me say.
Bust it up, Darry. Bust it up. Bust it up.
You can't come from a dolly the body clean friend. Anna Passion, our next one with our real body. You can't come for real body girls. You is a bunch of haters. You life mucky. So all you cuss people are sitting in an empty blood clot shop or you pull down. You push no member for say it's on your term.
Hey, me don't know all them can take advice from a germs box when a beard.
Yeah, that's the post. Remember to say it's on your terms that you know you're getting evicted on your terms. I want the blood clot this.
But then I'm living a foreign. Me not lie. Stay walk on that train in England. Me don't know how some girl don't have stay. Me couldn't cope. I like to travel.
Well,
I can't say right now and tomorrow. Me there Jamaica, me there America, me there Canada. Me cannot live like that.
Well, Kim Kardashian says she love to cuss and she do this all day. Well, Kim Kardashian, we love to cuss too. Kim Kardashian, they're gonna want to tell you now win. What's a pussy come for your platform?
Then me not hear to say. Me not call the people them name, but me hear to say somebody who be at home. Somebody tell you now. Me hear to say somebody who be at home makes a car bring forth nice baby them in the world. Murder.
And people catch up, them have to trouble people parenting skill and people picnic.
Exactly.
I never see.
As you and them catch up on social media, you're bad mother. You pity them uncle, them stay bad. Them dead.
If Candy forgot go work. Who the fuck kids them must have blood clot, mama.
Then Darry, when my mother used to be here, I me have to go work. Who used to look about my kids them, no my mother.
Talk short now. Tanya, me live and you picture them look dirty. Me never see you picture them.
Alright.
Never see Candy.
No hungry them can't dirty.
Me see Candy.
Nice clean pitney them. I pitney with there. Children are the future. Put 20 gigabyte. Yeah.
Clad hanger. And that's your favorite one hanger. Your
Yeah,
favorite.
them racing blood clot dog. You know the maga suck out racing dog them.
Me know them. Me don't know what this. Me don't know why she feel froggy and jumping and jumping. A blood clot. You feel lucky me I go work. You feel lucky my man there here and downstairs I clean him car. Cause they must never tell about this amount here. Yeah. Boy, you love war. You do this. You do this every day too. You can't bully no girl.
Oh, please.
Candy a celebrity. She have international backing on Instagram. Move your nasty monkey blood clot.
5 gigabyte data. 5 gigabyte, you know. A day. You.
Online tick and catch up our blood clot.
So I just wrote 5. So yeah, this.
World star. Yeah, Brighty. Kim, my mother work at Brixton. Make dirty Kim, man body Kim.
5 more.
You're lucky I see if she right now Kim kneecap. Can you see a Kim body
okay, I put 10 gigabyte.
Right now Kim favor Captain Blood Clot Planet. Babe?
But me want know why she run. Me don't know why she run and put the worst creature on the earth and alive. The ugliest, the stinkiest, the rustiest, the crustiest. Eat the chaka teeth, the snake a lot of mouth.
Mine man post.
Oh, I tell you, why when bad man a give away, the big troll get everything. She like by your people what I say?
On about now people busy and mind them business and
But them are 8 young girls. Well, them could have been their mother. How can you war with a little girl where you can be her mother? Go sit down, man. Me know your brains is a kindergarten brains, but bad to bad, man. Go pick up a ABC book and a 1, 2, 3 book, man.
But me know why dirty post tweet. Cause you me always a post up Candy World.
Yeah.
And my
yes.
That's why she
do it.
Dash page like she think nobody further nobody over here. You can't bring down Candy. Dirty Kim Kardashian. You can't do it. Remember me tell you can't bring her down. Give it a blow pop and that's a Candy. What is a Candy to a blood clot? Blow pop. You come out and seize a girl. Go sit down. Go sit down and go find the next shop. Because them
you want to borrow the argument from here. So them say she go up on the girl page that class me, you know. I mean, I said the girl don't even know me and she have the big soul. Yeah, a class, been a class because it's fertile.
Kim Kardashian party did empty in a blood clot what the year.
Sister.
Kim Kardashian.
Sister, when she look for me and I pick with them Sunday, oh, we look nice. It hurts up our head. When she say clean skin people.
Bright and face.
Nice. And I have my picture post up on a show. And I talk about big and fat. So wait till me go do all my belly.
Yeah,
Miss Mega mad here. Big and fat to chip on me. A size 14 me I wear now. Puss wear size 20. A size, you can't take on my clothes. A size 14 me I wear now. She triple me. But fear blood clad mirror show says she small. And I shall tell her that me triple liar blood clot tell.
Yeah, I don't even know why you waste your breath anymore trying to compare, like tell Puss that you look better. Everybody knows you look better than Puss. Like, I mean,
Dari, me don't ever compare. The whole of yesterday, she claims she robbed me.